Hello. Indeed. I wasn't planning on this one. No, I was trying to put together another one. I went and checked my plants, and this is the jalapeno. And yeah, found my microscope. I'm going to show you the plant. I could tell when the leaves are curling and stuff up like this because I just treated it the other day. You can't see as well as my microscope can. Neither can I. And I had peppers here. Yes, I did. So basically these leaves are gone anyway, but we're treating everything before it goes anywhere. I've already treated the soil some. Because these mites, yep, they've got like at least five life cycles. And you kill it at its source first. We're going to do that right now. This is a little bit more powerful. Hydrogen peroxide and water. This doesn't work. We'll go with Dr. Zyme's Eliminator. But, why use a balm to kill a flea? So here we go. And watch this. Watch it bubble. See it bubble? I don't know what the heck is killing in there. Oh, all the same. Yeah, I'm slightly annoyed. Because I really wanted to have some jalapenos. Now look at that go. Let's look at that go. So basically that'll kill off all the eggs and stuff in the larvae. And then we have to do the handy dandy spray. Yes, we're going to spray these leaves even though we're taking them off. Just because. I don't want them in my yard. Well, you should see what comes to eat these things. I don't think I really care out in my yard, but all the same. Wanted to show you. I wish I would have grabbed my other camera stand. I was just kind of taking care of it and thought, well, I should come get you. But I'm going to take these off, so I'm not going to show you how to treat them. Let's take off all the nasty stuff. Put it right back. In a place where I can get rid of it and sterilize the container. Sorry. I'm sorry. I hate to come to you when I'm in a... Yeah, well... It's just like, and I saw them on the microscope, and I thought, no, please, not again. Let's see, what else am I take off of here? Here we go. This is gonna happen. But, see, and even this one's diseased. Let me tell you, when you see them starting to do this, the funky bumping in the leaves and everything, it's not just character and personality. Look under them. I don't know what you can see. I can kind of see them with my eyes, but there'll be like little aphid things under there, and they're just sucking the life out of your plant. As you can see, what they've done to mine. So, let's give it back to him just a little bit here, okay? They're bugs. And I hit the soil too. I'm not going to have much of a plant left when I'm done here. But it'll give it a chance to, this is going to sound terrible, but there you go. I know, there were possible peppers that could have been there. But it's diseased. It's not diseased, it's infested. I need to give it enough for photosynthesis. Remove all the dead leaves in here. Anything that can possibly breed anything. Oh, the hostas that are in here coming up. Now I gotta leave the rest of them on here for photosynthesis, but I'm hitting it and I'm getting under the leaves believe me when I get off this video. Yeah. I'm gonna really hit these leaves because you have to get under them. They like to hang out under them, and you need to make very sure that you get, yep, all the way down to the soil. Is that an onion? Oh no, it's another. Because onions are usually my problem. But see, I want to get all of his stem, all those little nooks and crannies, because they hide everywhere. Yes, they really do. Sometimes it's too late by the time that they get inside of the plant, because I've said that happened on my other ones. Oh, and they come bubbling out of it in every crevice they possibly can. All the places where you have any fruit coming on, or any kind of bud or blossom, they love that. Okay, so let's hope that this works out just a tad bit better than it has been, because you know there is something to be said about chaos. Yep, and I really would like to have a pepper. Don't want to fold my hand on this one. Well, I'm just showing you how I learn. It's the only way I can show you anything, so I really don't know. Well, let's hope that this one turns out better. I'm going to douse them for a little bit more longer, as you can tell. You have yourselves a lovely day, and I will as well. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.